Hamburger Helpa.
Helpa. Doesn't sound like Rachel saying that.
No, I love it. It's easy, it's cheesy, it's familiar. And when you make your own Hamburger Helpa, you control the salt, the fat, and the quality of ingredients.
Yep.
You know, so
now I've got my ground beef right here. I'm adding in a little bit of paprika.
I love paprika and ground beef.
And I really like cayenne.
So earthy, right?
I like it a little bit spicy, so the cayenne goes in. A little bit of garlic powder, because sometimes you don't have to have raw garlic in there.
I love
garlic
granulated
powder's
garlic.
Great. And a little dry mustard that adds and
I
rounds
like
out
that.
the flavor.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that gets all mixed in, and then we're gonna add a little bit of water and a little bit of milk, because you're gonna need a lot of liquid in there because
you're gonna cook the pasta in the one skillet.
Yeah. And the pasta's gonna get all the flavor that's in here, because you don't want to cook the pasta separately. You want all the flavor to get into the pasta. Okay, so now we're gonna get in
elbows.
elbow macaroni. Yep. That goes right in. Gonna get a little bit of herb in there.
A little bit of green.
Because it just looks so pretty.
Chive on.
Yeah. And then some cheese.
Cheese,
Get some cheese in there. You like it nice and cheesy.
I love. The cheesier, the better, thank you.
And now here's the deal. When, once you get all this in, if you want to, you can eat it just like this as soon as the macaroni is nice
cooked,
and cooked in there. But I like to add a little extra touch. Ooh, come back here.
Come back here.
So what I do is I get the broiler on, nice and high.
Okay.
And then I add a little panko on top of there, and then sit this
crunchy breadcrumbs.
little crunchy breadcrumbs right on top. Thank you, Rachel.
Yes, baby.
So that just needs a minute or two.
Oh, wow. You should never let me cook bread or breadcrumbs. I burn them every time.
That looks beautiful.
It's okay, it's okay.
That looks beautiful.
Wait.